Developing a Winning Mindset for Forex Trading Success. Introduction. Forex trading success not only relies on technical analysis and trading strategies, but also on having a winning mindset. A winning mindset is characterized by discipline, resilience, patience, and the ability to manage emotions effectively. In this text, we will explore key principles and strategies to develop a winning mindset for Forex trading success. By cultivating the right mental attitude, traders can overcome challenges, make rational decisions, and achieve consistent profitability in the Forex market. Embrace discipline. Discipline is the cornerstone of a winning mindset in Forex trading. Traders should follow a well-defined trading plan, adhere to risk management rules, and avoid impulsive decisions. Discipline also involves being consistent in trade execution and adhering to predetermined entry and exit points. By maintaining discipline, traders can avoid emotional decision-making and stay focused on their long-term trading objectives. Manage emotions. Emotions can significantly impact trading decisions. Fear, greed, and overconfidence can lead to impulsive trading and poor judgment. Developing emotional intelligence and recognizing emotional triggers are essential for managing emotions in Forex trading. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and journaling can help traders become more self-aware and better control their emotional responses. Cultivate patience. Patience is a virtue in Forex trading. The successful traders understand that not every trade will be profitable, and the market can be unpredictable. Cultivating patience allows traders to wait for high-probability trade setups and avoid chasing after quick profits. Patience also prevents traders from making hasty decisions during drawdowns, as they trust their trading plan and stay committed to their strategy. Learn from mistakes. Mistakes are inevitable in Forex trading, but a winning mindset views them as valuable learning opportunities. Traders should embrace failures as a chance to analyze their trading decisions, identify weaknesses, and make improvements. By maintaining a growth mindset, traders can view setbacks as stepping stones to success, leading to continuous improvement in their trading performance. Focus on process over outcome. While profitability is the ultimate goal, a winning mindset focuses on the trading process rather than the outcome of individual trades. Traders should assess their performance based on how well they followed their trading plan and executed their strategy, rather than solely on their profit or loss. By focusing on the process, traders can maintain a long-term perspective and avoid emotional reactions to short-term fluctuations. Manage expectations. Realistic expectations are crucial for Forex trading success. Traders should avoid overestimating potential profits or underestimating risks. The Forex market is inherently volatile and unpredictable, and no strategy guarantees 100% success. Setting realistic goals and acknowledging that trading involves both profits and losses can help traders stay grounded and maintain a positive attitude during challenging times. Continuously educate yourself. A winning mindset involves a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Traders should stay updated with market developments, study different trading strategies, and seek out educational resources. A growth mindset fosters a curiosity to explore new techniques and refine existing skills, ultimately leading to enhanced trading proficiency. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Forex trading can be demanding, and a winning mindset recognizes the importance of maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Traders should avoid excessive screen time, take breaks during trading sessions, and engage in activities outside of trading to relax and recharge. A well-balanced lifestyle helps traders maintain mental sharpness and emotional stability in their trading endeavors. Conclusion. Developing a winning mindset is vital for Forex trading success. Embracing discipline, managing emotions, cultivating patience, learning from mistakes, focusing on the process over outcome, managing expectations, continuous education, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance are key principles to cultivate a winning mindset. By applying these strategies, traders can enhance their mental attitude, make rational decisions, and ultimately achieve consistent profitability in the dynamic and challenging Forex market.